An easy way to convert your existing PowerPoint training content to an e-learning course is just to save what you have in PowerPoint as video. One of the benefits of that is any animations or transitions or narration that you have inside your video, even videos for that matter, when you save that out as a video, that all becomes a single video. And then you can use that single video in your e-learning courses. So for example, if you're using Articulate 360 and Rise, you can insert the video into Rise, or you can insert those videos into Storyline and then make some interactive components from inside a Storyline. So to save what you've built in PowerPoint as video, probably the first thing you want to do is go through the video and rehearse your timings and all those things. So if you go to slideshow, for example, in the video, you can practice that and set up your timing and all of those things. And any animations and narrations that you have, you would just go ahead and make sure that's all inside of your PowerPoint slide. And then all you need to do is go to File, Save As. So we're going to go to File, and then we'll go to Save As, and then here we're going to choose MP4. So it's down here. So we have MP4. You can also save as WMV, but that's really not used as often. But you can save it as an MP4, and then you can bring that into your Rise course. You can just send it out via a web server, or you can bring that into Storyline as well. So we're going to go ahead and save this. And I didn't set anything on here, so we're going to save this. And then you're going to see down here, it's going through the process of converting each slide, and then you'll have a final video project when you're done. And once it's done, you're going to see a video, and you can see it's playing across here, and I can scrub through this and you can see how that works. So any narration or animations and those things will be in there. There's a lot of really neat things you can do. For example, here's a video from a Duarte presentation. I'm going to play a little bit of it, and you can see this is a really good example of how you can integrate all the animations and narration and whatnot in there. So it really just depends on what you build in PowerPoint, but as you can see, the video can be kind of simple static content, or it can be really dynamic depending on what you built. And then once you build this, then you can take that video and you can insert it into your e-learning course. It's an easy way to bring your PowerPoint content into a different format without having to do a lot of copying and pasting.